So it is so that I have a very unfortunate surname of Kotzi. That's how you actually say it. But if you're uneducated and you don't understand Afrikaans or German even, or you don't understand the languages, then you will think of my surname as Kotze, which can be translated as throwing up. Mm, that's the reason why I wrote the GMJ books. I asked myself, okay, need a cover name. George M. James, well, let's think about it. Calling all George, huh? Throwing up there. That is calling all George well, Kotze, because okay, James come from a name Jacobus, like the apostle. And then I put the M in for Melissa, my late wife. But of course, in the old days in your uniform, you used to wear a name tag. No, it's not to say that it was the actual name which stands on your birth certificate. But mostly we were actually quite honest about that. So you put the name tag on. And of course, on my uniform would be the surname Kotzi. And as I said, the uneducated people would always make a joke about that, even at school. Naar Pinar Kotze. Yeah, quite a few guys got slapped because of that. It's very unfortunate. I don't know when my dad went from Rabunovic, why the hell he took a name Kotzi. I just don't get it. I just don't get it. Actually, it was my grandmother who did that. Yeah, anyway, let's not blame my dad. Rest in peace. But very unfortunate name. It's one of those, and you add Koos to it, which is also very unfortunate because in Dutch that means a chamber pot. Or if you want to be nasty, a piss pot under the bed. Yeah, no, you know what. So anyway, reminds me of a song called The Boy Called Sue or what, something like that. So I'm standing there also on a roadblock, and the next moment this guy arrives, and he's like, it's obviously German or Swiss. No, you're Swiss, swine. And he's standing there and he's like, yeah, can I tell you something? I knew what was coming. He said, yes, of course. He says, your name, it means to throw up. Well, 18 hours later, his car was still being searched and he was crying. Even his embassy people arrived to help. Yeah, yeah. Hope he learned a lesson. Yeah, not in Switzerland now. Yeah, in the real world. Little swine.